you guys, it is time for my thrift store book haul. Now, if you guys know me, I love thrifting. I love thrifting for books. That's the high that you get because you never know what you're gonna find. My son, I always want to stop in this one thrift store, and he's like, Mom, I don't like this store, but every single time he finds something that he is super excited for. So I'm here to share with you guys my haul. My haul kind of fell down, so I can't show it to you until I straighten it all up, but I'm just gonna share with you guys on that. So I don't know, he took all the stickers off of all these books, so I don't know what we got where, but we went to a half-price bookstore a couple weeks ago. They were having a Memorial Day sale where you could get all the used books for an additional 20% off, and I know two of them were $2.99, and then we got an additional 20% off of that, so I don't know that. And then he ended up getting one hardback for I think it was like $4.99 with 20% off. So he's really into the Plants vs. Zombies. We found another one at a Goodwill or something for like 99 cents, and I think we found another one somewhere else for 99 cents. So my goal is to find him all the Plants vs. Zombies books. What I do is I actually have a wish list on Amazon that says thrift stores. So then while I'm thrifting, I'm like, okay, do we have this book? Yes. Okay, then I know not to grab it. So that's kind of helps me get, because like none of these are numbered and I have no idea what I'm getting. So that's what I get. He also is into like these kind of books, so we try to get these for his whole entire collection. This one we did not have. This is like by, you know, Dogman and Captain Underpants. But this was $1.99, and like the cover looks like it got beat up, but inside it looks like it never hardly got touched. Like for $1.99, you can't go wrong with that. My kids like collecting all of these Minecraft handbooks. So we got this for like 99 cents. I found this at a thrift store. Pretty much all these are at the same thrift store, which I love, but it is the Inheritance Games. I've been wanting to read this. This is a like teen book, YA book, and I sometimes don't like reading all those, but you know what? I still wanted to give this a chance. I wanted to see if this book was available on Kindle Unlimited. It was not. So I got this for $2.59. We're going to give this book a try, but I am pretty excited to read that. Last summer, I went to a Goodwill with my mom, and I went and found 3 of the Beautiful Creatures books, or the Beautiful whatever series this is, and I got the second, third, and fourth. So my goal has been trying to find the first one. I saw this on a clearance rack at Half Price Books for $2. $2. So I'm like, yes, I finally got it. So now I can finally read the story. I actually have the first, second, and third on paperback, and then the fourth one is a hardcover, which it's fine. So I'm finally excited to read that series. We went to a Goodwill bargain store. Yes, if you guys don't know what a Goodwill bargain store is, I went to one in Cincinnati, and I could not believe all the books that I got. I could not believe it. So we went there. They didn't have a very good selection, but it was a Saturday late morning. Somebody says you got to go like in the middle of the week. But we went there, and I found this book. It is called Brady, 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 The Complete Story of the Brady Bunch. I'm like, you know what? I paid I think I paid $1 for this. I'm like, this actually looks like a pretty decent story. I loved the Brady Bunch. There's actually some pictures in here that are colored. There's a picture of this person. I didn't even look at this when I was looking at it. But yeah, so I thought this would be a good book to read. It says, Dearest Rhonda, so that might be Rhonda, to my best friend on her early 44th birthday, and also my Brady blood sister. Happy something. Love you, Kristen. Well, thank you, Rhonda and Kristen, but I'm excited to read this book. But yes, I love the Brady Bunch. I have all the whole seasons, so I got that for like $1. Went to a different bargain store. I found this book and this book. I got this one for $2.59. This is a Lauren Asher book. It's called Love Redesigned for $2.59. And then I got something from Tiffany's, and this one is $1.09. There was a movie on Amazon Prime that I thought it was this one. I just got another book from my library, so I don't know what one it is. I want to say it's something from Tiffany's is the one that's from the movie, so we don't know, but you know what, can't go wrong with those books. Ben saw this Oceans book. It's like a 3D book. He's like, yes, we're going to actually a really cool aquarium in a couple days, so like he loves anything ocean related. So we got this book for him. This was $1.99, so you can't go wrong with educational books for the kids. When we did go to half price books, when I bought the 3, I ended up getting 2 manga. I just started getting into those kind of books. They're basically like a Chinese graphic novel. You read them backwards. So you read them backwards. And I bought this one book because I wanted to see what it was. My library did not have it. They had another series that I'm going to go get, but my library did not have this book. And I'm like, okay, let's read it. And I loved it. And so I'm like, okay, I want to get the second and third, but I don't want to pay full price. So I just Googled it, and it showed that half price books in my area had the first, second, and third book for half the price. So $7.49. But then I also got an additional 20% off. Funny thing is, these books are for 18 plus. So when I was buying these books and buying my children's books, the guy's like, these are for you, right? Not for the kids. And I'm like, yeah. Like, I never got questions. But I ended up getting this series called Out Bride, Beauty and the Beast. So I got book number 2 and 3, and I'm pretty excited to read these. But yeah, you just read them backwards, and they're pretty easy, you know, pretty easy. But 18 plus, you can't go wrong with that. I found this book for 99 cents at Goodwill the other day, so I was pretty excited to get that. Charlotte has been really wanting to collect the Dork Diaries. She cannot read yet, but I'm excited to get these books for her any chance I get. This book has not, I mean, it is in perfect condition, hardly anything wrong with it. So for 99 cents, this is book 12. So what I ended up doing is I have a list of all the books that she still needs. There's like 3 or 4 that she doesn't have of these already. That's how much I've been getting them, for $1 to 99 cents. So yeah, I ended up getting, this is book 3.5. It's How to Dork Your Diary. There is some stuff written in it, but I'm like, I could erase some of it. I mean, the person who had it hardly wrote in here at all. I think there's like 1 or 2 pages where she wrote some, oh never mind, there's a lot of stuff in here. But I mean, I could erase it if I have to, but I thought for 99 cents, we'll get that. And then when I went to half price books and I found my beautiful creatures on clearance for $2, I found a Dork Diaries book for $2 on clearance, and this one looks like in perfect condition. Perfect condition. So I ended up getting that. So now, like I said, Charlotte only needs like a couple left of the Dork Diaries, and then I have that whole set. You know, if you guys have been watching me for the past year, I've gotten the entire Diary of a Wimpy Kid on thrifting. Same thing with Dogman. There's one that I'm still looking for, a Dogman. And then Captain Underpants, there's like maybe 2 or 3. I think there's 2 more that I'm looking for. So yes, yes, yes. But those are all the things that I have been getting through thrifting, and I am pretty excited to share with you guys my haul. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time for another thrifting haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.